Swati.
I'm Vishal.
So we were working with the Pebble Grey design studios, and they are great to work with. It was always a collaborative method. They were always a call away, and it's exactly the design what we wanted, and you can obviously see it's great.
So the outcome was exactly how we envisioned it. So we are in love with the designs.